YouTube. This is DaretoBeCreative. Sorry about this shadow. Anyway, but the light on is too bright. It's like, you know, it's nighttime, so can't get the best lighting. But I just want to do a little quick haul of some paper pads and a flip through so you can kind of see what I got and why. Yeah, that glare. All right, so this first paper pad was $5 and I got it from Walmart, which, you know, Walmart has paper. People forget about them. Colorbox. I also can find their brand of paper in, not all the time, but every now and then in Ollie's. And when I find it in Ollie's, it's $1.99. So anyway, this first one is called Mixed Media. It's 50 sheets. I just got it because it does have like a mixed media type print. So, and I like that. You can cut these out for backgrounds. Script is always a wonderful background. When you want to pretend like you're doing something mixed media, scripted background, and you can stamp it and make your own. But this one right here, see, me as a photographer, oh my God, I love this as a photographer. This is corrugated cardboard. As a photographer, this is a wonderful picture. These are the abstract pictures we used to take in photography class to do this kind of stuff like that. You miss those kind of things. Like, people normally wouldn't take a picture of something like this, but it's the texture too. See, these are the texture pictures. That's why I like the mixed media ones, because it gives you that sense of texture. But you can make some of these yourself and still add to it, but it gives you a nice background to start with. When you're looking for a quick background, like these, each one of them can be cut out. Oh my goodness. You can even rip pieces of paper up and make your own background as well. But to me, oh my God, these are the kind of pictures that people don't think about. You can sell this kind of art when you take pictures like that in photography. Anyway, that was just that. So anyway, went to not HL. Gosh, that's the one brain. Went to Joann's, and was looking for something else, but they had, I was in there, and they had some paper on sale, and they had an Anna Griffin paper sale. I got this. I really love the colors. They're unique colors. Again, in the crafting world, we use the pastels. I'm a bold girl, and you never got some red in it. Hard for me saying no. Plus, Anna Griffin paper is nice and thick. But they had another pad. I forgot the name of it. But this is the Seafarer paper pad. You know, she does hers is 36 sheets, 6 each, 6 designs. So I'm gonna just do a flip through just in case you haven't seen it. But this paper pad came out in 2016, so you probably have seen it by now, because I remember when it came out a while ago. Oops, I thought I cut the bottom and hit it on the side too. I got all her stuff turned up all 3 ways. Anyway, so these are the colors. So 6. So you see that nice busyness. This right here, I really like that. That nautical look. That under the sea look. And then you have, look at that pink with the horseshoe and the gold. Got the flags. I just love the blue and the red combo. Again, some more, just some knots. So that is that. But I thought these would make some really nice cards. So that was the first paper pad, and that was on clearance for $9.97. Okay, just ripped the whole back off. All right, so then I ended up, they had the paper pads 50% off. These, they said, were on sale. Well, it was rated under the sign, so they ended up honoring it and giving it to me. The sign said whatever it was, to $19.99. These were $14.99, so I got these for $7.50. I got 2 paper pads. They were $7.50 each. So this is the tag stack. It's 12 sheets with gold foil by DCWV. And I'm going to show you the flip through. These have a lot of tags. You can use these as is tags or add them onto other embellishments or products that you're making, flip books, mini albums, card fronts. You can do a lot of things with them. So these serve as ephemera and quick card fronts, quick notes. So let's just go through. Let's just dive right in. Hopefully you can see this. And again, sorry for the shadow. Let's see. I'm not be able to see my arm. Everything is in the way. But anyway, so a lot of gold foiling. And you just Some of them, let's see if these are perforated. Yep, these are perforated, so you can just punch them out. So they have shapes to them. 2 of each sheet. Got stickers, so I'm gonna go through it very softly because I don't want my stuff to fall out yet. But see, all of these could be used as banners. Sorry about the lighting. They are color on the other side, which I like that. I appreciate that. So you got some of these stuff like "Don't Go Breaking My Heart," "Home Slice," "I'm a Kind of a Big Deal," "Amazing," "Love You Most." I don't want these to punch out yet until I'm ready to organize them. It's my first time actually buying one of these paper pads like this. So you got some more gold foiling on there. Roll with it. Be as you are. Be silly, be happy, be kind. So these, like I said, these can make quick embellishments, card fronts. Let me be frank, I like your buns. Bananas. Muffin compares to you. Muffin compares to you. You see why I don't sing, don't you? Alright, so again, you can see you have quite a few that you can use for a while, and also for giveaways. Happy Mail, racks, and all that kind of stuff. You have some stuff right here you can pull from to bless somebody with. So you got all these little sayings that you can cut out and use them as an embellishment on a layout or page, whatever. And these, look at these. You got journaling cards you can write on. I'm sorry about the light. It's just, it's night. It's nighttime. I don't know, is that better now? I don't know. And that's it for that particular paper pad. So that is DCWV tag stack. 12 sheets will go for. So each is duplicate, so it will be 6 designs. So on the other one that I got is the die cut shape. And again, this is 12 sheets with gold foil. And they're all, both of these are the premium stack. I'm trying to see if we had anything else as far as the name. So I will show you. And actually, I guess it said 12 sheets, but actually this is, I'm sorry. It said 12 sheets with gold, but it's a 36 sheet pack of paper. As well as this one is 36 sheets. So there's no way it's 12 as thick as that paper pad was. So when you look in here, you see lots of, I don't even know how many die cuts that they counted them, but it's a lot. So if you look right here, if you count each one of those right there, that's a ton right there. And then all these tags. Of course, there's 2 of each one of those. These, all of these, you know, nice flowers to add to anything. Donuts, campers, ice cream. And you got gold words. Is that too bright? Can you see that? It's a shadow, but it looks, I don't know. I can't get my lamp to go over there right now. My other lamp ain't working. I don't know if anybody have any problem with the OT lights, but I had that tall OT light. That one, that lamp, the light bulb just not stay on. I mean, you have a hard time getting it to come on. It's staying on. It's so annoying. Is that better? I apologize. So you do have that. But again, this is an amateur channel. I'm not a professional. That's why it's called YouTube. So anyway, some days of the week, some hearts, some different things. You can make tags out of those. They have some already perforated for tags. Gift tags on cards and stuff. Or, I mean, gifts. Got your donuts, your bikes. Got your birds and your feathers. Some journaling tags. Gotta have some alphas, and look how they did the top. Isn't that cool? So you got your dots and lines on the gold foil at the top. And you got long stickers. Got me some diamonds in there. Whole page. Gold words. Some cities. Directions and banners for travel. Yeah, a lot of gold foiling. Again, I'm just doing a quick run through. Got your llama because they've been very popular this whole year. And your cacti and succulents. And your emojis, your glasses, your diamond. Celebrate birthdays. So I have a variety of different color palettes as well, which I like about that. So you're not limited with one color palette. You've got some nice size journaling pieces and nice size die cut. Look how big that is in comparison to my hand and that bear. So that would be nice on the scrapbook layout. So anyway, I just thought, you know, I'm going to take my time to separate them and put them in different piles. But again, a great way of giving away some die cuts to somebody or friend without it messing up. Like, say for instance, you know, all of us buy film packs and they go with the collection the majority of the time. And sometimes you don't want to give those up because you might need them for some project. But these, since they're not assigned to a project, are easier to, you know, get rid of to share, because you're not going to mess up your own stash if you're trying to make a project and you have to take something out of it or whatever. You still have enough. So this, I think, is great. You can share with somebody and you can match up with so many different things. And I like having stuff that if I want to share with somebody, it's not going to interfere, because especially if I haven't started my project yet and you don't know how many you're going to need. And sometimes it's hard to go back and find, you know, the stuff to go with a paper pad. So to me, those two stacks were kind of cute. They're worth it, and especially with 50% off, instead of paying $15, I got both packs for $15. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And guess what, ladies and gents, I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.